Edi Diane edu hene Jemfi kwate na kosia eka ho. Anopay enemies na good morning show ye de bro ekosi se no nwotwe ebebo no nwotwe ba ye be ma ye muso na dwumadi etoto asigna no ya bone bede na anopay ye de asomo ewo afidi kesi eso latter part of the show said the die no ebebie afidi na tum e de amamo na Ghana nkoma ebede no woso wanya akwanya na wo de wadwentre e de aba by calling us on phone Sanso and I said Diane and the beginning of the show, your question for the day, and Chibiano, maybe better the amount. Now was waiting me kwenya afraid now what do I drink share Eddie Abba. They be I make us see Jimmy way. So we say Nasa when ya this year deal manage just one shape. TV it's about informing, it's about entertaining, TV is about educating. So it's not here. We have to educate ourselves. Usiamisia ni na no ye de abobra na aboa ama ya brabo and I say that assistant to me are beautiful de amaye anopay as that enkoma ohene wa beauty parlor still making sure that my wigs look so good my looks that's my wigs looks or smell so good and to ohene wa beauty parlor anopay me da see bebre wonom ewo ahojo opposite soccer bet. Yes, I heard you chrome opposite soccer bet. And I'll be home. We do is it Pastoria? Yeah, Pastoria Junction or more maybe or more to my favorite food gobe. Yes. I heard you maybe I'll go no one now. Opposite go soccer bet. Be home or henawa beauty parlor or more pedicure or manicure or more washing or more fix weave-ons or more revamping. They can revamp and I saw wigs, it be a fear beam or the coma on the washi ediama. That's how I love my wigs. My wig be I say futra beam, I see to be beam, I pack them. Na media komano na why you revamping or just with spinning why you have name no say come it also forward your ko you be dibu nya sabi woni sika o de beto mo no a wo de koma or henewa beauty parlor be revamp e be come this is about a 4-year-old wig and so that so sheme eno ani say media ko na why you revamping e de amame enti me so wo sie bi enye by force what I say they be and also physical so better waiting for they be maintain the old ones they will look nice we will be anko competition all right I know I beauty parlor no pay we no money nyina no mechiamo na madam say HB am the number be to the amount so that you can also call her oh yeah you frost so on your bridal makeup so me see your home or be in the amount also looking very unique as that it's so and call mama boa for my adorable sponsors. Odifo Ewifo Ba Samson Kweku Yeboa. Papa asdani ayiyi enka odi. Meda si bebre wa de fefa enra we e de maame. Odifo Ewifo Ba Samson Kweku Yeboa pa me chop fise ewo baby a wo bia. Papa se wodi hye bia na adwene mo kano. Oyeni no ma basa mo bro wanya kakranfo. Papa se bro nyei mo de omomra mamontade ahye omampa boahye ono no hwe wo se ebra besin ko shop ha koko yi t-shirt ne kambu ni ade sisantade ni nyina ono no that's your brother say front papa nyame onhraw na de odidi a wo kai obi no sankrofo no ena oba ade nyankopon se omma omomole ase entuda enti papa yi sebi ne mole ase entuda yempa yeti he osi obedidi na wakai ya na sebi son sebi nya ade mepo achewo na wa wutie me die wo ha onyina ne osi obefa e de abonebo enti won so tutumika na drobo japeko na omwa ne number ne that screen no pick it up and talk to him be abe fine why papa no pay me so edasi a ensa anopay me de eye inchaso no so ekoma otumfo apele hene yes otumfo apele hene nana madaro manopay bo mwase na me mwache o baby a wo bia no me da sipi yakopon onhra won so yakopon onka ho otumfo apele hene anopay michiao saso ena Nisak professional painting edra afise ya na sa afiso se ya and most of us know we want our homes to look good. And if you say, yeah, your living rooms, you feel some painting, your shops, or any idea, your kitchen. I mean, Mr. So be painting kwa de afada ni sack professional painting na omunye ni nyina emfama ni sack for say o month tie so pe say we professional painting be about 3 months or 6 months tuition now o so be professional painter and one le bia meka me so to hire pe bibi na yo o pe bibi na o ya eboa o ema o ho haro ete se bi eso se bi nya do be ma be fa akoto no ho so na de bia no and as sweetheart na me hisko baby mpacho me piscato wego baby mpacho me perfume asa baby mpacho a whole lot relationship no cry yet the end last day I tell you because be man be from I say you build too much this small girl be I'm no radio or cause auntie when you broken heart to me say there or say my guy told me that I built too much say me belo dodo na I'm saying also no one catch me say me here bibi a me bisa na feed me bisa na or say me belo dodo what is the guy is tired. The guy is absolutely tired. There's a message say, "Pay bibi yo na one fa or how ni atiti bibi ankogu bema no say eba sa abu is odono enye de onim so obefre wi ana so no beka say hu wi obeka one story to the other. No, my women, my ladies, my guys, try na onso pay bibi yo anope fama me ofeni saka no amount tie na onso no wona osi no obeka say Diana oba nso eye painting adwuma na oh yes debi ametasa me de menua anasa madam for rama me nja ni dimpo da rama hwe rama ye banka o na so bank adwuma onya bi o se akọ ma dog bank adwuma ne kra ene o ye painter big time painter lady painter na hu so bon say yes Sevie son sevie nyado e mama no mfa ke kakra ona bon say yes on the car be see ho no see for no yinugus no ho basima damn you hey it is so good and I am hu na na mani am say ra kamekra man ko TV na me paint edwuma bi aka menya skill so they also open TV so na ya sere to won so no bomode na huni sak na amount te wate patcho bebre se na be ya be bedin ento ukunu wo yere ana se o ma me o bra bi o abuchi o sister bi o fa bi e ba sa no mo abomo so mo bro it's not easy for them at all enti bomode ana ye bibi mawie adwumakuo bienu we na na no pe o mo achebre na wo de o musika asomasene e ma ye djumedi ya bro yeah live on Facebook Kumo TV GH live on YouTube Kumo TV Sam Darkus initiative. Sam Darkus TV so no you see me live and what the ane say over subscribe to your channel na wa like your page no na wa comment na wa share na afofon so enye bi a share ko Facebook na what the bo Kumawood TV na the GH asoso eno ano no uko YouTube dia won fa GH ensoso YouTube GHN so beka ko TV no ano no na wa bo love no so na so wa bo wa pese I think I'm talking on TikTok wa bo red button no so bo so wa subscribe yet na se bo so benya notification quick na abeto phone so that you can also join us what I say and okay let me motivate you my motivation for you this morning is be you okay don't try to be others enyo nkrofo just be you. If you want to be you, okay? Just be you. What's the make I say there? Be you. Be he or she try to be others. And if you try to be others, what you cannot afford or what you cannot do is what you want to force to do. In Tebasa, you live a fake life. Tini, you will live a fake life because you want to be like others. You want to be, others. I mean, canisa, make a bro for the move. I don't pay. Pacho, Mr. will say, Enya fufu, yewa. Just be you. Because se we wa, obey free. What I say? Se we one kasa, obey free. But we try to obey on crofwa. Obey live fake life. Fake life bemwa, and what you won't mean to wake. Chinchina, Diane Shinty, and one of Pope Beato. We need 2000. We 2005. How the could anyway, getting the air for crab being 8 million. Oba from crab grade 0 no, and over 3 million no 4 million. And also no, I say, Ukotobi. Nti opese auto we bi. Ba wo won so. Ade na wo relax. Relax. Na to boase. Live your life. Me say, there be a meka say, eti bo na nkrofo bo no, egu ye ti so no. Me mpe. Enfata me. Nti me mo. I told her me boba come say enfata o, but I don't look comfortable in it, so I am me. Family way girl, me dey bitu so me ba me pon me kutu, me dey atum baby. I'm team baby. Ota say, me nka say obi apampa me hye bi abete TV so aye kutan sebi. Asha wedding dress aye soko nti no anopa bia no e wo say Diane make sure say me so be kuntan no. Me krampe ina pa ba I am me. Me yi me shirt, me yi me jeans, me yi me or say me try repeat is opposite we as ba. I am me. I won't be you because me person me ho ye dey e hare me. Me top pressure e ma me ho. Me share social media no so nka say oh these ladies on TV are doing this, my colleagues some of them are doing this. No. Hell no. Timpa cho enya afofo. What to single room eno na osika besu trem. Enko ka say obi ti flat apartment an apartment when nebo there for credit 2000 ope baby papa tan 2000 be credit more than that nso because that be to more than that so don't be others yawa the ho beso no eno no but we need to free na ko baby man maybe opa no afa opa me fa ye be pay ni anopay mini abe me bi akasa na asama wo kan nyina ne say wabie na adwuma na adwuma a wabie no wafa nkrofo wo mu afa nkrofo ebiba na omukọ ebiba you know that thing now say ne papa panimu ebia ono nso no onim adwuma ohia ne services e wa adwuma no ebe pe adwuma no asa papa ne baaye no onse ohia ne services no je papa ne betimi aye no that place is vacant enti na won say or employ papa no ena why employ papa no no say papa no is old enough to be his father ena why employ no say Diane papa no ne ho ahonti enu ma wo ye no mempe ba na adwuma de mepo ba ne suni ne ban a odi ti adwuma mu ono Diane mempe nanso papa betimi awo me banti mi ntimi nkanase ena twetwere me bo minya mepam no nanso mehwe papa na asa mepam na de na okudi afen so mehwe amesi me papa pa na me bepam ni aye me dadwene nti bi so atiefo se eye se adwuma wuranom ye bi enwuma a ye be employ nkofo a wo manyinyini sene ye ana asomu osi mi sa say eye se ye be employ nkofo a wo manyinyini sene ye ana sa kosa metie na me wo me late 40s mu na afi ma bi adwuma na me papa bi aba o be 55 60 years ba na adwuma nso no vacant wo ha o qualify say wo say me de ne hye na me de ne be hye hui afi papa ni ye ni suban bi a wo de na di papa no ntimi nka man kan so adwuma nso ase ebegu ano no me nya ne den sesei bra yi se me bi sa se eye se bi enwuma ye be employ enkrofo a omu anyinyini esene ye anase ede enkoma eda honi misi enkosi kwada nkwada asa my employee na vacant da wase me hu mmobo nso na me na adwuma nso wi a ne ye no so enseni ena me hunu ne amenye me enti minu a wo he papa wo he bra sister young entrepreneurs omo bebi enwuma me kunu omo bebi enwuma me ma me mo bebi enwuma otimu nse ma mi wanyini enso fa na adwuma mu a I say obetimi abo nso ne suban no osi na adwuma de mepe ne mum ne su ne attitude ono ani su ne ban no it's terrible. I cannot control it, and I don't even know how to talk to him or her about it. Say ye bi enyuma ye fa nkofo mo nyine sene and I say ye employ yankasa, ye mate and I said I said mo papa sasra kusra da no pe mi cha so ba won say and pe nyame hira na onye wakoma so ade nyina efa ema opa mo ajobre wa papa ceasefire I love you to the moon nyame nka ho sanso na mekro mo nzamafo nzamama mo biza be mu aba hyenyamle uyizabe ye bi alubronya mo se ye bi a ne onboy ekwa avenya no wa adone ya ne ahobɔ de bi amole ya ne ahobɔ uncle is impossible. Number 2 sikobo number 2 biza be mu aba hyen kekame azie mane a no chi ama biza ba hyen misu azo adon abo ama no ko biza ba hyen ya me yirabe me de second sakra de nso a me chiche seknefo nyina ma me Cecilia wo kwisi team antisi official part to you in advance me che opapa tadi for hwe nyina no yankopon won hye hon enda no pay na ombo hon azi bia wore no ombo hon metwesi na medu be kwaya ehwe amido be speed nkuti o metwe me bedu be kwaya ti be kwaya MC honorable Chebafo papa no pemicha bebi a obi anya mi sha bebre na wanyo akoma sade emfama be kwaya hene na pia won kwaso saso ena eduana ba ne owusumu nyina mi chia mo anope o be kwaya boasefo mi chia mo nyina anya mi sha mo eji aglogoda Ashanti teacher fo nyina so no mi chia mo nyina onyankopon onhira mo especially madam Akesi lower primary school teacher for mi chia mo nyina AG school for teacher for me chia mo nyame onhira mo especially to class 1D Mrs. Mildred nyame nhira Miss Hannah nyame nhira mo nyina mo lower primary mo hwe ye man kama e de mind nyame onhira mo nyina brother ni da new boy me be kuma so a me chia kujua sempa furniture was sponsor micha me no mo ani di dwuma no kela kuma ase micha mo nyina prophet Martin wadankwa me anaya ne abedwa fu eguta no so ade greet you or me no mo na ye dwuma sembe bi line si muni ho a me ni ho ti micha mo asante micha chief my darling also America. Good morning to you, baby. How are you doing? I hope you're fine. I know say you were just awake just to watch the show. God bless you. Samson Abraham America. Micha mo nyina nyame onhia mo nyame adoma ochina fiade ana se ochina meme nde di animu ya na wotwe yenu yakwakulumba ware kwaku ofa ware enti be kwa kota ne chi ewo Davine community center. I guess I'm right. Yes. Ye be ko na yakota kwaku echi otuna bedi no san ware kwaku so it's kwan bia no e wo se member maybe lines not some the amamo ejo prophet papa due to onyankopon onhira papa na onye wakoma so de nyina emfa emmam. Well, give me a call 0202668461 wo fa adwuma yes say obe employ obi a wonyine sese no ana say obe employ we mate for nko a so to say penny we adwuma for no so betimi penny for ni be very sweet o. Phobia they are so sweet to the extent to say the way they will advise you. And I mean, me so jack a cry, me poya, and papa be si debi ako. You and him so papa debi. Papa debi one can be on Chomayana, yet I was a me show. Ade, the super will be an Mayani Jani activita, and see no. I told maybe a politician store or more have you. Nobody can come and intimidate anybody here. And you want to come on intimidate, we intimidate you right back. To be able to be an state. Ubana be so be intimidated. What I say? Okay. Yenin komo 0202668461. Papa Sam that quiz and of you too. Sammy. Sam. I dey feel it to the moon. Menya call our line so. Hello, good morning. 0202668461. Yenin komo. Many of them may be afraid me or say, why employ papa be or ye old enough to be the father, which my ne papa. Na papa or say na juma de open na mum ni supan ni ne ye bi o adwuma mu na ne nye ho kra but when you see no betimi awo ne bench won't me nka na twetwe ne bo e no hu de wonye enti ayase e bi adwuma e be fa empani oh I have a call on the line again right okay hello good morning hello good morning all right when to me engineer so betimi afre 0202668461 yeah, 0202668461. Bibi, good morning to you. Kelly, good morning to you. I've seen all your messages. And so, thank you so much for being part of the show. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Prophet.
Okay. So mo yɛ
Papa
deɛ.
Nyanko Padaro, my message here, pa.
Oh, yɛde Nyankopɔn ase sɛ ɔmo a ho a yɛfa no pɛi na ho yɛ paa. Nsɛ bisua nyinaa so ho yɛ. Ɔbaapa deɛ meka ne sɛ nka nyɛ bad. Ɛnyɛ bad sɛ ɔbɛfa obi a wanyini because bebree wɔ experience paa. Ɔmo osua ho no ɛwɔ nimdeɛ bebree a bɛtumi aboa. But wohwɛ nipa no n'adwene no yɛ bɔne a ɔyɛ obi a ɔyɛ panyin but ɔwɔ aboro adwene ɛnyɛ ɔno nti ebi ɔno obi adwuma bi ama n'agu wɔntumi ama n'agyi ne ho yɛ so saa nipa no deɛ ɛma ne mu wɔ adwuma mu ɛna sɛ ɔyɛ good so na sɛ ɔyɛ adwuma no na ɔde isu bi bɛma ɛbɛtuma mu adwuma agu a ɛna ɔntumi nka dabi wosɛ ɔtumi ka kyerɛ no woka ne ɔnyia no ɔsake no so nti o mpanimfo bebree no ma ɔmo wɔ adwene papapa a ɔmo de boa ma odwuma tumi kɔ so nso ɔfa no but eduru mpɛmpɛnso bi na sɛ esu ne ban no a wɔde ba no ɛmmoa ma adwuma no kɔ na otumfo no ɔmfa sake no nti ɛyɛ sɛ ɔbɛfa wɔn but ɔmfa asomdwie ne ɛyi mma ɔde a ham no nyame nhyira wo bye bye
so papa nyame nhyira pa ene no ya starting on nice so for bia no dey am so I'm still waiting for your call 0202668461 be part of the conversation give me a call yes say you be enyuma ye befa wo ma o manyini sene ananse ye employee meet for enko hi good morning
Obapa Dayan
Reagan
Dayan
Reagan Pacho what to say
Nyame adom Dayan namozo
Nyankopon adaro ma yesi ho ye Reagan yenti wa no fe
Nyame ebinka Nyankopon nhyiam o mama wode ma
Amen
de wo mu ni Dayan enye boni se obefa pani se de ye papa prophet kan but the woman ni se pani di ho adwen boni to ni tiri
okay
obi o wa adwen papa e wo ni tiri nti wona wo bi adwuma no na eso umonite adwuma no ni na wo hwe de nipa no esibi ye ne reaction or reaction de ye adwuma no de so o ma adwuma no e kɔ so ana o pese adwuma no e collapse wo CEO no eso wo hunu nipa wo adwuma no nyina wo nsuban
okay
na o hwe adwuma no ye so o ma adwuma no kɔ so de a emfa wo so wani
okay
eso ye na adwuma na adwuma no atumi akɔ so
okay
na ka o hwe na se na o keka nso ni no pese adwuma no egu bi a na ntina o timi nka nkyerɛ no mo biwa no na ka kyerɛ no ana sɛ frɛ no na ma no sɛ adwuma no wɔyɛ no baabi ato si ana nneɛma bi kɔ yie sɛ ɔhwɛ na otuma bɛtumi asesa fine na ɔnipa no ɔyɛ nsa aboro na obɛdidi a papa yi wa na obi adwuma no nkata bi a ɔyɛ ne nua ana ɔyɛ ne wɔfa ana ɔyɛ ne papa obi gu adwuma no sɛ ɔhwɛ na yɛ wɔ papa na sɛ ofiri sɛ wotumi mpa mo na ma ne nkyɛn fie ɛdi wa wɔma ne sika nkakra no mu bɛboa asɛm sɛ adwuma no bɛgu
okay Reagan, stop picking your calls 0202668461. Also meet me after 2 p.m. or Asante Mampo 2 p.m. I want to say hello, good morning. Okay, 0202668461 0202668461 be part of the conversation. Now also prayer see be in your mind. You befa wo or munyin say na. Hello, good morning.
Morning, Uncle Diane.
Asante. Asante now hoye.
Yamia Maye, I don't wear the
Namia dome, Miss Moye.
Yamia.
Yes, you are not pay.
Well, Miss Martin can say, but you do baby say, if you are a for them, but you go to go young Lao, and then walk out to down for me, you are a for them. No. I bet the penny, it didn't have the penny to get an man ever bought. And then you have the penny, the ball man, and you do any more. With me about that, I want in you water. Who near no one day for them. No. Yeah, I'm yet to don't come on money, and then follow me yet almost play a bell of what you come to an order. So, when I'm doing, I am it. If I wouldn't know, I am it. Because you know, for a retire, you got to get this. Not for a retire, I'm not going. No, that's a mabula or Mugno. None of the mabula open to the mother egg man of Woma or Magno. Ngopoma said they said they were or Magno and now I'm about to do man. So, the Magay Jana said, if I wouldn't know, Yemen. If I am now, I'm going to get no watching at home. Magay Jana.
Asante that's even brain ni pebia wunyina na woyemre enti wokene ni pan wunyina mane nkotse fie na onkogina home wo so bit me afre 0202668461 be part of the conversation from me na yenkoye ni me fa course be me no me ense bi ansana makoma me ofata.
Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, man.
Mfacho ho se say Mira.
I don't.
Nice one. What are my 81 okay?
The frame could you get a football book.
Mpacho into.
Yeah, about 1 year ago. Moment to Nasumbi, maybe the uncle so vocal. The year penna.
Mpacho, yeah, that's it. Honestly, the DNA buy it's good. 0202 66846. I'm just happy about what he said. That's why I'm smiling. Forgive me. But now person can contribute in the question for the day. No, but to do okay, you know, and also sooner when here, but when you put on, I think I got 12 days also. I stand to be corrected though, yeah. But easy, and you know, moment you know, open once one of the answer. I'm coming. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Hi.
Good morning.
Mpacho I'm nene kase.
Mpacho me kase pita kwade.
E kase pita kwada. Se connect and then.
Afrango.
Oh, kusati. Yente we.
Mpacho asimerike yo enukolo. Funa ezum. Ayada wo e bi ni mo ho wa adwene papa. Funa phone wo edwuma ma ada bi ni mo ho wa adwene papa. But if I had the idea, I can't come back to the yard. You also say why the same.
Okay. Miss Medas, say to cry for each wing in Amedas, Dano pay. I also Edward Inche is Alba. Thank you. Oh, yeah, tell from Ate. I am pedamit to one kind, one friend. Miss Wasn't Mamma, Beverly Shoes, and you, Mobile Bampa, Beverly Shoes with our Beverly. Okay, I have I think 4 more minutes to close my phone lines into which me as Akosafre, yeah, which Akosafre 0202668461 be part of the conversation. Yes, you be employ the older peoples. You be in your you to no crown, you be in your ye employ penny for no mumremana. Papa be on was be a juma, penny be I employ no one say no, I home say. When you're a pam, so no one is say. I say more. Me pampa pedi no kudi. So I join with you more. Na juma ne de me pay, na juma yo. But ni student ne buy na me pay. And say yes, ye be employ older men, older people. E wo ye juma and I say ye employ mate for enkwa anam. 0202-688-461 Femina. Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Obapa Dayan.
Ediana ba.
Then what about me? You want to? Ediana ba kutinati. Master what? I did the call Dayan.
Good.
And I don't find the Papa Dayan. I put on coaching sura. Papa ne wa put system ni grant ma. Dayan otolia odema at the phone na. Dayan put on coaching sura. You pray what you mam to do. Be a messiah papa for good. Business. It's your part of my work at this year. And then I don't want. Amaya that the Bian of the Bia. It's me too for that. I mean, papa. I could point out that I mean, share with police. I mean, send with my phone and I could come home. And then putting my and I mean, the farm mine or that hill.
and now take a job you one no ten and that's what to do. I'm mutual in the ending. I was in a new sort of an and you are from a the amount. Then you mean I said, in the crew, and I said, you run with me, I will see you.
Okay.
Say what the application is done, and my money, and Yama or your name. If you could have map or catch another, or permanent term. Maybe can have born family, then so because it's good as my brother. Then the crew, and I say, Yama. Na e die busu ani nyi amone ta ne mana da ya mu go juma ni ntumi nka no eni ni to bi se bibire e bi juma da ya mabo pom no da o ken tell the course of the name to the same tell you and tell me academy no one so no bone da o ya de ne so ni o se o ti juma na bi ya ni ma no e tani no ye o ya kuru da kada che se juma ta e juma na me do ba to mi tiaka so na o pa mo apoto mo afo no da o ko ka pa mo no nonko wa nyina ade nonko bi na juma to what and people will move out and do good no more to 2 million more than good man. That's where penny. That's too good man to crack no chimia. They are panning in our own pamono.
Okay. All right, last caller, Emra, 44 minutes after 6 a.m. You're live on Facebook, Kumo TV GH, live on YouTube, Kumo TV, some dark was initiative to Black TV, also streaming live there. So subscribe, okay, and share. Just, tap on the red button, and that means you've subscribed. And when we sit down, open your notification, now once you are joining, I share there. My comments number by Facebook session na making kind in our farmer. Hello, last caller. Hello.
Good morning.
Mama Wadaro, Mama Neso Kakra, Mami.
Good morning.
Morning, Odo, Mami, na udin baby a friend me free.
That's always a flip market.
Pache you. Pache into you.
You made you and I'm testing me bash at the crack.
Pache you.
Can you be also a no answer? When you answer, obey me. Ama or a Juman obey me the attitude ye amount. But why am running to you now after my day so I be so the obey me, at trying. Ama wahwe so e de ama unipa no what ya say nti ewu pam no so kwetena fie sa na e be ha de nti kono so mfa na adwen so ni nim dia wo nim no so ensanche na won kyerɛkyerɛ wo mo a maba wa bu no wo betimi aye adwuma na mala
all right
wo betimi
okay na mi sha pa no nya wakoma Sunday informal me fa ko bio lady no my sweet lady were wrapping it up a day amaye my memory fee na me mommy sweet adorable they adorable they adorable we ayo you can e ko se na bi twem yesidi mo bi twem yesidi mo of what oh venga you know me do butu. Oh, I know I feel. But I want to say, me who I never any aji. Me when me who flam. Upon Pachama just. Yeah.
Na watri mu na 7 previous we ja ne back kwan ekura ye achampem ho nti esi akaso obeti kokko so no na ni wata kokko wo mu a na kese manhia nyina ni wata kokko
Sure.
nti ye manana no matena nkonya adehie ne ni ntina ewo manhia nyina yakọ na yama adum fo nyina so yakọ ehwe achampem na no monye no asubiem na mo no baby papa ntina
Ambe mano papa
shire bia e wo ko se o de so ano na de brass antimai no mo mas antimai
okay
dan mekanisa na machia NDC mpanimfo e wa Ashanti region kankana na kwasi eda no na me papa ewura na ohene ajokum
great
na ewura sapo na wo nyina mo ni yo esrem kwa tenten de mo acha sabi na otwemienu sene na him franka no na chimiye no him papa na nkunimdie no so aba efise ohwe nkunimdie na eba na yeso na ama nkunimdie na eba no nyame edi ama NDC ya ka nyina ne se NDC ebebo nkunimdie no ho ban na yema obia emfa ensa anwea egu ikukum anu de eye important pa na mia papa baako eye wura Julius Debra
no ho ye
nyame adawroma nyame aduma next week ni wura DM na ewo kromo ya ti papa baby a wo bia no nyame nhiro ye ni so de waya ma NDC ni GM ohwe kwan a NDC ye lose election betin afie na enintin ne titru bebrempa na yenim senka se bibi wo mu nsema kombetimi abojo ma chidom no bebre twe wo mo ho koso mu ni se ayeka na so papa yi etimi ata NDC achi ata dwoma ma achi e de abepem na nokure ni yewura Julius wa ya ade pa ye mu bi ye ni so commitment ye ka commitment a eno na ya na de bia ye ka no nti papa ya me nhira o ne me nua musa abatoa
mitini ni acho musa hi
so de me banos ohun fries banos ofa ko ametia da ya
musa hi musa da ko ya mo fa ne mreme
ye de ne bebre o ye de ne bebre me a me de ne bebre ti ye de nyame ase e wo de ode Ghana abitu na Diane
baba
wada Roma ma me fa ma no
fa no tum ka fa no to amempene
ye besile ye wura komampani dada akofo se ekwan a na se kasa bi a ye nua de la edem ekasa ye edifa no hono ye mu bebre no ye ni anso na sebe ye waha ne tie na de lanso ye nua no na nyame adawroma obepacho NDC antasa de release ababonte abepacho se kasa no ankoyi enti ye nyina ye ma no sorry na se kafra se ye nua na ankasa yi sebi apoa no na nudu edidi duro asuo ne ntwa asuo nti ye besere se ebi nsi biem na in as much se ye condemn no na ye nia ye papa nso ye na ye sada ye nsa ye betu no fo se sebi bebe wadu no ye statement when you tum so ye statement yes o ye MPP ni boni bia ni nanso nkwala mienu miensa ye kokko a ye nkota ba akochi
na konta hwan echi
akota ba wo mi echi
na msen konta hwan echi
ma won tai wo bi echi
adenti na mane
de enti eni pass wo tai wo bi echi se nya mo tire obusa be question
aya no
ye din ne tie
me wo sa mbisa
ti obusa question
okay ya no de enti na eni kwase wo tai ne
ye enti a eni kwase wo tai wo bi echi ne se wa beye wo man ne panyin ana wadi na konwa awi ebre bia enso e ma ne nsa ma di akonwa biem enti ye friend statement
matiasi
patriotiasi
metiasi
so be ka ye se adano asem esi ye ana ye twa ho bi na ye de aye ne adansi me padase ebra Rollins edwie na konwa na even atamesi wo ho ne NDC eye campaign this is the word how mampani kufuo ya kan ye say Rollins ye statement
so
etima woni partisan politics echi
oka ede na Rollins kan ya ema e papa kufuo kan sa
the Rollins kan ye nyina say na wo ye adwuma ma ne party NDC
good Mr. mi bisa o enka party ben ena enka sebie so sebie nyaado papa kufuo enka onka samfa ho on through the support or your statement but free MPP mu ene ko ye
setem bia ne yakase ye de ya tinka ne ya wonimu ya de ye beyam so de bia what was that question
Jim adana
we are not talking about party here
but he's from a party
or your statement
so a statement
don't have the right say some work at the lecture say bit me person o man pedi da kofo ye nyaatwum yes
I didn't say
adwuma alankash yema kofo no ba umianye kota kora
nanti alankash
nyabotire we are all learning adia enye nura no nenso enye
I say
adia yes
okay
me say o man pedi da kofo say say ye tua ne ka as a statement enye people for ne tua ne ka
okay
and wo ye o man panyini a say ye adwenkyira ne ho ne ye ko enti say wo ma me yenu kokon a ye nkotai ba ko achi
ma no hwan na ekwa akon
ma no ala na ekokon ni wo ye kofo ba Baumi Ekobi, why you Kufu, but me
ba wo de o gina ho na mo gina ho
meet you
Alan wate no ho ana wonte no
but no your cast will be at no any day
oh say no MPP mu and we free nti so on can people who be
I'm not talking about MPP here
now you are talking about
I'm not talking about MPP here.
So you are talking about the generally Ghana.
I don't know what for here. And I'm MPP for our Congress. No man put that for a platform. Now we can't assemble for MPP or be any assemble. By a situation whereby I have a press conference and I interview. There is difference between political party platform and political. Time this year, and I feel the century ni
bi aka o de ya dia
won say
century bi aka
Diane say papa jai ye mu bi mo ye and na ma Ghana ni
na mo nyesa
me see enya
wrong jai we dey make
papa ni ye panini
o ye panini
tina fie e ma fesedua mfo
ni kufuo ka boni
say ye kwansema kufuo kem bi aka e boni o
wan ye boni bia o fe jai
e boni
winning o fe jai men nyesa ya kwata o de yam
topic but we ka dia kufuo ka tire Ghana fuo nyina say ba umia we ye wo ne ye to aba
he has the
it's in a Bible can
say you can say ba umia
say wo ade nyina ho kwan
emu de he na mfata no we dey evidence so ama emu de he na oh ade na de bi so asi atenka anya atenka bia
motion
oh
otun force
any motion here bia na ade ka say
oya santimeru wonye Ghana nyina ewu but oya santimeru this year na otun fo asori no wase ye de yen fa ni say Alan any sheda omu nyina ya santifo eti wo kodi Alan echia no kodi sheda echia wo beka say right here na senye right
oh eno de enfa ho
question me bi say wonyi ma
menyi wa no sa
fa wa na me kire say
ye fa ba bi opa bi otimi kigina
na me fa body
masum
Ghana
any nyina so ne eya mamunya sa NDC4 eya mamunya sa nipa ni fripa pipimu ena wakwaje na home ena ne ba enso kesi ya bakus dia kwa akon na se me makwa kogina owura samba kusimi dina no tum kase monto aba no fama Diane
wakogina as a presenter who the studio na one
many famous na yakwa all right say metimi aboa
otimi declare wrong so ma pani ye wa choose ma ye pra ne ye wrong candidate
mo na mo hu ni sa
na tie o pani kufuo na nim say abawumia ye failure kufuo no free Ghana na dollar ye say kufuo ti say na administration
ye kufuo
pie campaign
ma mi misa
o man pani vice president and ye wo bawumia what the company be ma bawumia so wo abusia panyin na
to so what say now they are
wrong
to bone yenko topic enja wrong gibi obe declare waka e we dey wan chepeni na kon chere dey
when man pretend okay maybe say okay oh anyam from so ta won kai say near company bi
wo so
because okay
men other men kai
I'm Diane. O problem no ni o. Enye bibia na se human being and say is a 20 who be mu.
Baba. And I'm saying eno ne de o hin. Ti me problem ne de o. Wo problem ne ni. To our self. We dey to aso na me ma me topic na ye nko so.
Topic ne be ko. Empretech. The whole Africa. Na ye Alan Cash. Empretech campaign no na Alan Cash edi gina kofu achi empro ye edi ye campaign e ma kofu sika ma kofu obedru ba bia wadru
so we free party
enti say wo nipa we say sika we na chi na so wo hunu fumso bi e wo mu a na e ya yore ho papa
baba to bo na miso asen to bo misiri bisa to bo akoma to ye ma wo emotion na mrafo
me emotion wo na wo use emotion
wo adi emotion And now buy it. And now buy it. Must see any camera.
Don't say young.
Yeah, we don't be. That you
Mechi obi dum bi ache papa.
Alright, I'm going to go.
So because I know dem episka.
There we do it so well. I said they am before me.
Diane,
so
as a woman being, woman yemfa principle.
That body papa be na betray.
Yemfa principle.
So body to bo me so asin. Wo de yi wo de yemfa for this atale ne so to baby.
And this atade ne meti to baby enyi.
Wo de anope ye de asem na me baby sa oni na me se fe no to baby. Me ka say okay, wo de share when this atade. Ya de me bi sa oni. Sebi obi wen this mu. E na we free. Se me wen this. E na me free this. Makote me party am pa cho me da so yen this ni bi mana.
Supreme Court ruling ukan.
Oh,
me nua. Chukonu.
Men ka say.
Madam Chukonu.
Wo
de mo kan yi.
Me de me say. Yen kwa general o.
Pa die Supreme Court.
Ana na ye kasa ma be so bi ti.
But ye wo say enne se ma free NDC num
akwato party wo so won ka ho bi. O ka wo da so ka. Na wo da so ka.
We NPP Constitution Supreme Court verdict number. Alan is still MPP member. Alan is still MPP member. But we are not talking about partisan political party membership.
So what are you?
We are talking about loyalty. So
if he was a lawyer, would he have left the party? Baby sir.
No, debut. Nka won koyen.
Say we lawyer my NDC. We free NDC my. Are you still loyal to NDC?
Debut Alan what you page. Question no say Alan. Supreme Court verdict to one.
My me kan Alan ho na be discuss.
Oh minister.
Me bisa kosa. Me bisa kosa say. Wo NDC mu. What way me offer. Ma de nyina. That's bre. O NDC mu. Na se bi so se bi enya. We free. Akoto independent. Until that so ye.
Supreme Court to say that so ye NDC. Supreme Court to say
if care is not taken, we will soon wake up to news that Ghana has been sold by the NPP. We must stand up and of course vote against them in this election. John Dramani Mahama, former president of the Republic of Ghana, and Nakasa, or say, Sebi son Sebi Nyalo, Siamfia, that for Ghana better sorry no, na NPP at home, and Tiabeya, Yen Twaba, Emfa Intia, Sex, Infantia, MPP, NPP 4, Womon Quada, Necessary or no, with some Rame that day, with some Hawaii. Na Bibisa, of us, a dear than my Papa Mahama, if one sir.
Yes. You are John Dramani Mama. I say, you can't say, we need penny agree. Now, we share experience at your mama work, our mamu. And maybe I can say, me nipa the brand say. Na ne kufuado, anybody me abenya kunyano. And one more tina say sampa. Saying as a sempa and a joma make a chile. Na bomotichi kasabchile benyasa for ya no tina babu. Ede antina bebu. O say akonyana e wo ho as seat of government no. Won tina so bia. Ya susu kasa susu twa wanu. Ya men ka wasem ba bia wonan kuduru ye ne nka wasem. Adentia because na MPP to opposition you know. So we can famous yet discussion so come there. From taxation to productivity and also industrialization. MPP the entro at the Ghana for ama enne 8 years down the line, no so a tram through the Ghana for. Enti John Dramani Mama who say, Sabi Dudu na Sabi o Dudu na adwumo atu extend say. The only answer of this say radio say, and I'm sure any TV so wajiedi. Say yampa wajiedi. Enti si MPP kwan no mo tena so bi ma. Ade be chi no na Ghana na nkasa yaton. Ghana no ne yaton. Ni akferi akache se munyina mo ye nkoa ade ntina. Omunni adwini papa nkasa ye di create avenue for nation building. And the best one mutrimu bia no omo ye. And what ye campaign about Umiani MPP yes is you know clearly. Omo lose focus, omo lose ideas. Bibi papa bia no mutrimu.
Omo lose.
focus, idea, integrity, and everything.
Obi so baby say it is excellency John Domani Mahama ne campaign dey na che so no so no say bi o lose focus. Obi bit me bisa.
Yes, the man Joma man lose focus. Me say, Joma ma continue fie no hwe na adwuma a waye. Wan fa mo na hosafo ne. No hwe adwuma ba wumi ane akufu ado aye. Eye staff standard and so mo dey bo mo hosafo ne na. Ohunu say, wo mo no lose focus ti Joma ma e ka say, ba me ba no me be ye ABCD.
Obi bisa say abra no wo ho na onim say na oye focus wo ye adwuma wan fa mo ne hosafo hene no. Edi enti na ma Ghana fo nso hu say wa ye adwuma na ye be pam say ko
the ya ne wo mu say especially Ghana it have been established say unya bana unya 8 years no
enye no kre ye adwuma den a be dey na ye maintain no
since 1992 obi a break 8
okay
because me kan ma no kre so say enye no kre
na say wo ye adwuma den a ye be na kaseko
political party ben
okay
and that nya break 8
okay
since 1992
okay nti constant say unya for 8 years bi
wo say enye no kre na person o prove kire bi afi nyina say
ye nti ama me bisa say me kan say enye no kre ni say sebi say what tell fata wadwuma so ani a wo communication be ka say wo share fata communication you afim
Diane, as I na wo kan won to
oh nya say mente me ho ase me ya general mass baby ya class 1 ade obi abeti ate
ana me say
bisa sante en ka say na me kasa
I'm talking about the Ghana political
I understand
ana me say I
say 8 years bi
I was say political party
it we ya di wanya
ana wo say enye no kure ana ma prove wa kire won nkika so prove kire say the ABC di tina say enye
the enti ama me kasa ne say wo statement e ma wo kan say sebi o his excellency former president betina abenya kase no so ni nyoma pa wo ye no
thank you
wan fa mo ne ho safo hene ana ma me kasa enti no sebi o na me kasa say adenti wan fa mo ne ho safo because what the bon ho safo hene a oya dwumaden a oya dwumaden a ya pa mo no yes
ana me say
akoya say wadwuma yo say ni a ye be say na me say enye no pre
kire wo mo hwe ye ni
e bia na ma no nya no pre okay dia ma me hu ni say enye no pre say sebi o say we obi ama so medi 16 years da me bet na di nyini ye obi aba 4 years as 8 years bia yes say
enti enye no pre wa gufu
me nguvu ye me da so jina so fi say why I am not shy of that yeah na won ti baby a me fi a me ba etutu aso kasa wo de ka
jo mama Ghana for to abetia jo mama 2016
e bi entia
Ghana for na MPP then opposition no campaign so when this is when you're 8 years and this is when you're 8 years
okay nti say na now the when you're 8 years into ono so
yeah say me kasa na yes aya enna me no nya issue no
okay trust
enna me no nya issue I'm not talking about Nanado. And I'm talking about Thomas. We are talking about political and
MPP.
Party, no. So we'll be breaking it. And Rollins in the breaking it too. Rollins, none keke. Because what should be now Rollins a free military regime. What the Limam Bessie so no say 2 Limam. No one so near to a ban way near. At that time 2000 na ban phone say Rollins kokoro besayama. Eti na sa ehu ni se nipa mu. But Ghana for kunu say there be you say you call the most crazy. Na say 8 years na so nko ade wonko na foforo mra. And Rollins call here because people thought say 8 years of NDC regime na so. And we call here. Okwe no mampanida da akofo ba ye. Mampanida da akofo ba ye. Health insurance do na balloting wo ho. But on be ye health insurance, mutual health insurance. Wo ba ye anu de matana eyini ba ye. Metro Mass me kai pa se na wo kwa pie do a running star na state transport ed wo ko. Ba na no so say. Ti betimi aka ni plane say o mampanida da akofo na be expand ye.
Okay.
O mampanida da akofo be see emergency. By kofuo time so ye no ana MPP adi 8 years no Ghana for ka say onko na foforo mra Ghana for man ne ko ana tamis ba ye Atamis buy for the 4 years no po we ni anwie. Ana say before fiante atoata. Ana John Mama beto so na John Mama no as a person who opportunity say obetimi anya another term as a president. But Ghana for any MPP for the year campaign, I can say 8 or MDC for 8 years after. Adwuma na John Mama aye no. If you want penny that for kura nyem half.
Sure.
Menye sure Ghana for ehwe me na yesure.
No, maybe so.
University of Ghana Medical
nti amampani dada kofo adwuma Yura Mahama bai obebo adwuma sen amampani dada
bebre
oye den chen.
number 1.
Okay.
First time in Ghana history, Ghana bakwasema yenya Quatrinia Hospital. Tertiary. Na yeni bi.
Okay.
Wo yi kwalebu ane ayi a ene University of Ghana Medical Quatrinia the whole of Africa. Eye tupe.
No way.
Ewa Accra.
Okay.
Eye John Mama na de baaye.
Okay.
First time a baby betena so government onu asase ye wie regional hospital. Uko wa regional hospital. Oma Bargatanga regional hospital. Oma Greater Accra regional hospital. Oma Sewia regional hospital.
Sewia so oye.
Muna mo ba na mo je egu nwire.
Na so no start e.
So
ka se o start e. Na bewi amon kan sa.
Na wie.
Na no wie. O so abe commission.
Commission da be.
Mon commission.
Sewia hospital commission da be.
To aso.
Yeah, to aso.
Won so. Won ade no mu wie ya amon ka se mo wie.
Wonu na be ye.
No start no enwie ya.
Onu na be ye.
Ka se wa start.
Ba
ye nwie.
Ba mo start.
Ento omo anye bi.
Regional hospital ma ye bi.
Enti mu de mo wie. Amon ka se ye wie.
Me kire se mo ma ye ba.
Okay, to aso.
Military hospital ni e wo 1 pe. John Mama na be si afale military hospital.
Wasi awie akase be commission.
Waye bibia. Me si akase be commission ani wo nti na montimi commission. John Mama si awie.
Oh.
Yes. Obesi Kumawu district hospital. The only president or start who you run into free war or started district hospital. Now complete here under 4 years. You know what district hospital or started from scratch.
Okay.
Mobile yemoko bula general hospital gui. And then emponchini nwan enkotire eni nkusie na nkran. Omo nenkran fo timi fa yi no moko ahayo. Wantimi anwie. And that John Mama 4 years no. John Mama ba ye no man pani dada kofuo akate sword. Ewo breed down. Na ye 11% completion. So beka ya on the 11 November say ya ono ba ni kofuo akate sword. Wamfa blog ba akokora anto. Wo ba ye no obewie e commission de o man pani dada kofuo ho. Se papa wani so ade hudo na ye Kwame Nkrumah vision. Ba wo ba ye na na mo wutu ye ne to aso enie 3-tier interchange na ye hu bi da 3-tier interchange na wo hu bi da obewie Kwame Nkrumah second interchange ese temadiase ese flyover Fryport flower port na Akufo-Addo ko commission a wase yam monsem ma president Akufo-Addo ko commission wo fere se wo bi le pesita no e de to ho e de ma no wantimi anya recognition kura obesi kajetia na wo pamampani da Akufo-Addo ashe krofuru mase MPP ba 8 good years o mantimi anwie obeye international airport e wo Kumasi mampani da mama
oye
na wanya nwi. Okay. First time I pray etu anajo ebesi anajo na ye wan time. Mama tam wasi Tamale airport esi ho airport. Akufo-Addo ba ye 1 8 years ni na 1 airport
ye adwuma sen je kofo.
Wo ye adwuma bebi na kofo na so ya aware say John Mama ye adwuma sen the 8 years administration. And so 8 years in so yen Ghana for kase da bi atami se 28 na so twene nyina ye NDC kro na etimu nkofie ene ma Ghana for to apa na dollar eh 4 Ghana cedis. Okay. Mode ye campaign say we incompetent when fundamentals are weak Exchange rate will expose you. Lectures upon lectures. And then was 16. Must say your money some my yard.
Mobile,
Remember 2 cities.
I love
Now,
that.
Baumia, any stadium, I can't just say, or bow the dollar number 5 cities. What's it?
Oh, maybe so say, Baba say.
And you want
me lose.
Me want me lose. About 2 cities.
About 2
Tell me what your mama would do.
It's who want me lose.
Me want lose. Me
lose now. What do you say, uncle? What do you say? About 1 city could I?
Thank you.
Okay.
It's your mama. I
Yeah, your bumpers over. I me kwa so me scan out my son.
You catch them the way you be.
Party.
Okay, you to fuel a day how many days? Okay, you nyame adom wa dom fuel nko a chance wo hwa akola wo school. Me boa ka chem say me boa. Na 1 liter. Your mama tab na say. And na say. Your mama the full gallon no. E ma ye 14 cedis yes wa bon. Yes wa bon we nya nipa. And na full gallon ye tono 78 cedis. 78. Continent 80 cedis.
E be cry sister, be o no say.
Me dash it. Basa buru 14 there. Emro 14. 1 gallon emro 14 ene. Enti ene ye benya be less than 14. Ya me fa born in chill. Sunday ebe bosunya sase wo nkoko because one committee aye halan. So, Diane, mama yenye serious as o man. Obi nka so obi no MPP continue opposition. Na MPP
so be no NDC.
One day ge minisa wo wo.
Obi a
na won sua de.
Eh, da bia tag me.
Una se bu.
Da bia wo tag me.
Enyo ya de pa. Enye na mfiri wo party a wo nwane mfiri wo.
Enye.
Me NDC.
Why can't me join everybody?
Na nya na wo dwane. You MPP ni ana wo fe.
Oh, na se me me kan se me. Me kan se
MPP ni ana wo fe.
Me I didn't am very.
No offense.
Me MPP ni aka me me so aba. Just said that bia me tini I don't have the right to use my political party.
Kwabena ye
obi ane ne dey me see me discuss
we sports journalist
it doesn't matter
obi eni so ye kotokoni eso basu wo ye na dwuma wo ye ne pepepepe
and then abese o
me ye bias eti enfansie em ye serious
no problem
abaya fefe se we MPP ni aboni
na me say me ye no problem say
unsa na esi from na you ani
wo na ka me MPP ni kwa me sense form and I will be proud to be MPP because MPP for my adwuma
ni bi ni de
o my adwuma what wo dey na akeka ntika me twa me commentator no my it me twa no me kama no me twa no abo ni sa late na wa ye
Diane
me nyina adwuma ma
no bia wo my we yeduru no so wo man ni ye serious and can you go say MPP right some more contest
nare na mo ya pam mo na mo kra mo so be contest na mo san ba ni san fa ma mo san ma mo na fe mo je na be ma ya mo so mo be ma e den
kan okay the opening the over can to the sorry be free
over
be ma mo e de na ye be ma mo
minim to aso
ka de ye be ma mo
me se minim ti to aso
hwe me se mo sorry na mo si fom se mo ye campaign ma MPP ko be lose
mo mpai me mo fo na be kire se ni bia ka hwi mo
e wo kuro bia ma
e se fo mo ka bo e se ni ben
se trofam wo kuro bia we kuma se ya
we sure
na de ye nimu ade meeting ya na musia ayi musia van when the true van no egiska na what bia na ye nimu ana ye se de besie na mo de mo tikura na
bi echiche bi ma
mo MP
and se mo na mo because na do mu nya
da ma mo tikura ya freo ni ade wo hia ni amaka say ye adwuma man dis ye nya aban sika na de mo de ye online ni sika
anya no kre to aso
auditor general
nya to aso
e kan the prince kojo ponkon ma say sika wode ma MPP communicators no from consolidated fund kojo ponkon ma from auditor general report it is a wunnimu a kona ko fa na yawo auditor general ministry of information then na kojo ponkon ma but that is sika from government budget some of the MPP communicators womu kwa na edi ne kura ni say MPP ye failure because domama on sorry no on ka sem kekewu watena se an wonnim de ekọ nya ba omi ana ka kire me no mienu se oba no wa be ma ye fon ne atuatu na kakra o te ya na wa
o ka say oba introduce to wase ade ona mana fon gugu ne kem o se oba introduce credit score na credit score no butimi di gi phone abroche wo mo aminu amonim na mfo mo no mo ba o se we mi free o me chicha kakra kam de credit card nti o se oba introduce credit score The credit score no, ebe mo
Ghana
akọ.
credit score ha na bi ni.
Oh, oso ade ba.
Me say bi wo ha na bi ni ha.
Ebi wa ha, ebi wa ha.
Ebi wa ha na bi.
Na bisa say ebi wa ha.
Wo ka your credit score.
O say me o abawo.
When mama
So
ka
the
je
bad ya say ye, o the ba.
What
What
is
the
he
credit
na
score
aba?
ne ba.
What is he na
O
aba?
na hifa na musumu de na musumu de baba.
What is he na aba?
Mo de na mo de baba, hin na mo de
Ba
baba.
mi wati akwamya so o.
Enti
Se woni shi ya mo me dada Ghana fo.
aya mu nya sade.
Ba mi a.
Mo nyina
Woti akwamya so.
Nyina na mo abo na ya
ebi
pam
yes
na mo
ni
aba na musumu se ba ti mo nyina mo abo.
Ebi yes.
Enti ya nkoso.
Eti se wo hwe nyansa America fo sua ye. Esa akọfa example ba ya. Sa nyansa ne bi na wo se Ghana fo mu sua. Na mu se san kofa kra America.
Kasa yi oni.
Oh, me say yes. I was Ghana fo sua. The democracy is free ni.
Nti Ghana fo mu nyansa.
Me say me say o mu sua America fo nyansa ne bi. Twi wonya twi ni ba.
Kasa.
Enso mani wo ye twi ni ba. Ye twi ya ka. Eti atana me kasa Ghana fo ni nyansa. Nyansa America fo tina si hu se there be papa yadwuma wo be ye upon covid nti ye to obeti ano no wo ko ene ko fa Joe Biden ba ye no be miss apply to authority wo bia e dia say economy no ti ye ko fa dia wa ye bi dan ba e be boa ana America fo ko ye woni papa bi am san gabi o kire da ko
why then
mi say wonni no
why ni no wonni na minim no ye nko
Diane entina me ka say wati nka me si wonni no I there
minim no wona wonni
na me nche di pa ko a wo ye
ai minim gabi so wonni dia am sana me
tie fo ni na show
so
we reaction ene wanu yi
eye misa question sa
who busa question ye dey busa
no who busa question wa ho me na bisa question
busa so ni do mama
obi ani do mama
enye obi ani ni mu eti don't say say obi ani
do mama
ni obi ani ni mu yes
you are say
ni obi ani ni
mu gabi o chida ko
thank you afa na wo kasa
so
gabi o chida ko say ba wumia ene Harris Kamara ene ye vice eti omo ene kabom John Mahama ene Trump ene ye formers eti omo kan bom na formers ni ye failures enti vice president certain vice president no ebe win enti Kamala win na ba wumia so win no ma ye adwuma abu on the 4th of November and on the 23rd muna mudi ya campaign ampa so Kamara ba oni ba obi na sa tunu ya wo be share mo se munyi ntumu
Kamara be share say Ghana for you
eni Diane wo so kura wonye
wa o de o mi share sa na be kan no o de mi information Ghana wo be better be share say ndi tumu
nenye na kufu ado ma shena mo na gia tuma na wo say kufu ado etu nza na kompa ko tumu
I was for small television
ya kanu kura chira office MPP fo agi tumu wa eti Ghana ni utu aba MPP ya watu aba tumu
and me evidence ya ka
woni evidence ana me ka to say MPP akufu ado dano wagi tumu wagi atu na kufu ado de so ya family of tumu mo afeda wo interest wo yes central evidence ne say Ebra Parliament of Ghana wo ene me representative including MPP for ekotena parliament ye nhihye say ye mfa bill bi nko value of human rights and our cultural value na parliament ni nyina unanimous egitu mu no ekoduru ekofo ado office no se won sign mo wo bien enha no mo bien fa sa de ne metwe nanim because one sign
na ya de papa wo so
nti afedi wahunu se waje tumu
wanye shintumu
afedi wahunu se waje atu
wansan so wanye tumu
eti MPP ne mo ye gayfo ye catch that Ghana for say utu aba edi ma MPP watu aba ma gay eye musuo watu aba ma principle
sir
yes
central for bebe no the principles egu kwemo kasa ya kire enyo mo ba ade na mo de mo ba mo nkeka ensem a mo ba ye be we na
mo mu
na mo de mo ba e attacking
nipa bi tisam ya na mo mpese ye dwoma ma ka bi mu beti
wane kan
mo sa no komaso asi mani afira no bi wo wan kwaje no won ka ho
sa
enti se Yes, ban
Like
no be
seriously?
preach. Oh yes. Like you.
Like me, I'm
Your mama police is our dear to kwem.
what kind of
Won't she be?
24 economy.
Won't she? Won't she?
Media Martin and Macanity be
Your mama say men can't say.
policy the time when you
your mama say men can't say. Waba apprenticeship. Hwe enye nipa bia na timi ko school. Ye won krofo bi wa obekwa kosua adwuma. Sika kura wode ekwa adwuma makotena se asua 3 years no kura bi ni wo. Na kampese wo wi a watimi anya baabi ya kakra obetena ye adwuma. Ana jo mama e ka kire se wo ba masters na e wa adwuma mu no. Wonu a bepen kwala ma no atu aka. Na kwala no de bia de akwala de bedie no. Oman no enye jo mama o. Oman na ye jo mama aban na e ba be hwe se ye be ma akwala chop money. Etu won ka se mini lole fair, mini chop money, enti na man timi anko school. Wo wi a na oman na man set up. Wo man no ama ne set up. Eto so mienu, ye ne ye wokuye mu no. Ye akuyafo no. Do mama se afeso a obi wo adwene nim de pa anko betimi aduro wo asase. Enso sika a wo de bedo. Enuru a wo de begusuo. Thank you to say de no wo na wo ye no. Yes. Said you were no ye no make you for quite. And no bema pressure that Kumasi and Cranate Malisono, so was around one funny near my make a pig pie. A bema a free ho. Number 3. Your mama seeming control say, Quabnada Akono. They now person or can't went me and yes. Who PP manifesto no page 23. MPP for some make sure say the incentive Ebema youth not go into poultry farm. What if I'm getting cocoa can by another PP rigging to platform now that's no. And your mama saw the bank of conquering kitty. Yes, waka no bemanko conquering kitty. Yet the cocoa kitchen kitchen a year poultry farm. The unfanko quackers here. Your mama one yes antinio. Where ye ceremony as you the wheel with me can santino. Mumu be crammoya can for Muntimi. Say or cocanco conquering kitchen. Yes, one cocanco comma. No kwa kan kokon ketenkete mo ringing to mo dia yese na wo so ana mo MPP fo mo dia ye o na dia won kan na me nyu film ana wontumi so film
enya hwe say party
yes mo dia ye ringing to na jo mama ba wo so ba ye kokon ketenkete hwe wonim the benefit of that kokon ketenkete
nti o de kokon ketenkete be ma wo so ma ye kokon ketenkete wa ma ye buo no de nuane aka ho
na kokon it obi o ye badwin ba bia no ko tena bayi hotel onkotena ekwa ho enkosresre obe make sure so obe gin kokon ketenkete ne bi no o ma ne ho 6 months 1 year
na o mo tunkosua
o mo betunkosua o mo be wo de wontimi mpa yes na eka bia ba ho no aban na tua no de amount oko farming sector said na America na what the farming input no ebe community base it is a tractor na person de kodwi wafuo so a wo be fa na abuku udini say aburo na apese okodua a eka dodo no wo be futini abuku udini owi a ade a moto ye wo ye no aban na beto na eka wo bo no yate ye de wo de ama eno na ye badwen ba no na ye policy na nya fun na ye de be free eno owi a was Baumia
phone kwa
na the phone be chem
or the phone be chem ma turo
say want
ya kan kure you can credit score no akọ ko you do be chem
na ya no ka se nipa ye nkwala wo
okay yes ya nyankra
wo ka se nipa ye nkwala
ya nkwa airport ye
obi an ka se be airport
all right
obi an ka se ko bunu na ko hwe the benefit of what
nobody say oh na sabe
ko bunu entimu no ahuma so ni de ya no ma obi ye into poultry for na wo ye ni oh yes that the MPP nature
oh don't do that
wo would ade na be show manifesto me see wo would ade na be show manifesto obi ntimi obi ko kan na dia
just one time Mahama he won't actually be accountable Baumia and the way the ability just reject one time Mahama he won't be accountable Baumia to Ghanaians senia minia honorable Mr. Enyemedi no and then me no fatana and epema akusise ye bewi se wa ma ye nim dia to no so den kontesa until I'm so surprised say onya emedu ha na senia his excellency former president akasa ne sanso about me vice president his excellency ono so no akasa say former president Mahama de one time president oba 4 years of pepe na memo no we for me account and famobia Ghana for and reject you. And also na sana obewade ju ahoma kakra na me ko ready me message e dey na yo say
yen kasa mi aye call message
to boss
and then
me ba oh mami reading messages kakra shame on us
parliament wo fere a mami nya me submit
oh be your submit ade wo na be che me ntena me
me nti odo ye bag
na
no wo da ho
me
makajo se mabre
wo dey wo okay me so ho me ko kan me
makajo se mabre
me so ho me
wo dey mami
enyo time da wo nkasa numusu ade
na de wo wira ho
me wira ho ye mani kura na aje me si me ni na aje anya so mo dey tag me wo tag me ndi say yo wo tag me ndi say yo anya she me kura me ma anya so mo mpa me kura o pa me pe me wram won tag
producer na do be ba ara wa
me kura na me kura me pe party ni me pe bia
nya me fa boni
masom no dey acha me na da
enu wenti mi
no na nka me nye dey we ni party am wo dey MPP on and MPP for patch on MPP why say sana
na dem share meeting na yenim
eya mo invite me na member say na of aka dey eya mo tun san from na member
why o mu
pra
aduma wo ye ma o mu nyina no mu invite o dey nka
teacher
anka won
on kan to am with message e dey na say na wa ba say na wa ha di say me no me enu so dey ka ba final for of alpha all right then so moving on, we're live on Facebook, Come On TV GH, live on YouTube, Come On TV, Sam Darkos and Nation. Sam Darkos TV, so you should be live or subscribe to your channel and like your page and our comments now. It's Teacher Kujo Tepa and say all the best, all the best policies implemented in Ghana came from the MPP. Even if there are difficulties, they always actually, solve a purpose or serve a purpose and shed light on developing Ghana. Having actually, a vision for the future is the best way to go. I never knew that one day I never knew that one day you could give your digital address to a taxi driver, and of course they could actually, locate you or locate your home using trees, shops, stones, and buildings to give directions. There is in the past. Vote for MPP policies to move Ghana forward. Greetings to Chairman Odenoho Kweku Apia Koka and Dr. Ben Asante of Ghana Gas. Even though this is a good morning, Sister Diane, of course, your team. Big ups to you and great work, Sister Diane. Please don't waste your time on your energy on this lies NDC people are saying MPP is the best party. To be honest, NDC people need, free education. Mami call SMS. Okay, so these are some of the SMS that I have here so far. Bibi says that Diane, read my message to Ofata. Ofata, give us a break. For now, few days left for election. We know the party we're going to vote for, but we will not go for that day. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, vision with that one is harsh. But all the same, thank you for your message. Nana Jua, all the way from say Diane, you don't read my message of late, so I stopped. But this morning, tell Ofata that we will never bring NDC back because of disrespect. What does Ofata? What does he want to tell us? Does he want former President Mahama to campaign for who? No, does he want former President Kufuor to vote for who? Message in our message. Or say, does he want former President Kufuor? Really?
What can message 5? From MPP side.
Nade, the buy me from Anakayana. Said the Diabana make a mount.
And I can't and they say, well, my MPP can
send the people and I make come away. Send the people and I make
your phone to the MPP message.
Send the people and I make come away.
Diane Cosso
to us way. Make I be. And to us.
Yeah, me and Amico, but I shall phone.
Message.
I want to phone you.
Message.
I have had your brand. Today, I have played the table. okotena se obi anim eti wo be kan message obi anim message a wo be kan
Me na mka so mo famre.
how say basa
Me se fa de bra. Na me kan ma wo.
abroso
Enti no
sisa
fa de bra na yen kan ma wo.
sisa
Ofa fa wo de bra na me kan fa ma wo. Ofa cha edisi for ade ye be ya ma mu bia nya mo fe.
oh David
Ya mo nya appreciate. And when you platform in person or turn this one turn and I say
NDC ya ton ye ho dada
okay yanko
no
say
kure wo mu ne ye ka
or say be so say be yan do former president Mahama o me accountable farmer will be a entimi ento abama dey na
won say na me kan ba wo mi okasa sa akwala
we are sure
oh yes
it's an insult
na dwene wo
for you it's an insult
me say
it's an insult
enye insult
obi timi ka
enipa ni so wo dan enipa ni so adu a say enye insult okasa sa akwala onwene no waka
mama na dwene ha anti ono so dey
there be me no wo ka jo mama asema ade na time ya kan bibia asema na person only
but don't do that obi na kase
one my topic
no ho nye de
na kasa bia na enye de
kasa te sa akwala eye insult we are saying
yes me ba wo before krasa kasa we won because I am mantra abedam pipi ni baumia no na wonye wo bi nka no kora nkyere no nti ana oguso oke eti baumia wa bon said there because of be baba account for amanfo nti wonim hwe wo yeti ponko so kora yento abama di wo mo sabi wo matwene mu nya adwuma na sa asem we waka o mbe so so se me dia me beba for accountability nti ekufo adu emma for accountability nti na yeto abama 2020 wa say wo man ni sa because no nim so wo ma for accountability. Does it make sense for Baumia to say this? Does it make sense to you? Say, one yard, but because of who opportunities of the sound benti, young to a banner because we have for accountability. And we enjoy accountability and not developmental. 8 years now, you're the man. Me back, Mammy,
it's not right to say, your mama can't say, my MPP for beton, and it's not right.
There be topic now with the man.
No, first topic, a woman, sir. You all let baby about
MPP want me give na ye ka na ashew sa
person me bisa say na we see can say we be mo adwin mu say
wo be ma me kwan makasa de
kasa
wo be ma me kwan makasa
we dey kasa
Diane
papa
fatao
wo so pa na me feel nipa say me papa ya me
biasness ni die wo so wo
ja ya tin ya na me person kasa sa
etu ye sure say sawutu we na so obi aba bodam ni kura aba no say to abama because e chena meba for accountability now so sabi wagimi kakra no akoto abama bodam ni because on do obeba for accountability yes asembe na was asem ye ka asem ayenka se obeba for account e die na wo wode magana fo enti ye nto abama o enu ne de kofo nko ye campaign
person ka wo ye me ya ke
me say e die ben hihye ye ben ana wo magana fo a ukoduru ya wo say wo phone ebe maye ni ati etietua nkakra wo say phone credit score na wo kan ye agi phone wo say medium te ye ba umi ase obe maye phone ni etietua nkakra anure die ye wo kotia wo kodina ayi mufro wo say tepa wo say wo be te phone tax so na phone bo aba form wo ye kan ni ba wo dwene wo ye dedicated se nipa no ka tam be ma phone watia akire wasan akọ ba bia kojo se me be ti tax ni mum so na phone na ba from na wakoto a se nipa no
ti graba no ti so a wo mo de ba no tax ko for month so ma ye
on beti so ma ye enti se nipa na no wo ka cho se me be ma wo phone na wo watia ni kakra
na fa credit score ni sa ho
nya me fan sha ho
enti me dey correct one me
be cho ha me enya wo ana wo be che
correct one me be say na se ma o kan ye
dia me tie ye me tifiri na no dia me tifiri na no
anya wanti
anti wo de fansa man to fa wo de na wo tie remu dia me tie ye ne se o so be magana fo fo
okay
ni atuatua 2 series 1 cedi bo so me dia 2 series
okay
sa na me tie
yo matu
sa so no kan
yo
actually wo koye no ko se sa policy no sa adwene nim nyansa nim Ghana fo onye ntuma wo se afi de me ba na tax ma be che fon tax so na fon ne boa ye mere na matimi ato ana Ghana fo no madwene mu dopa ne bi say ehin na wo ba wo pan na wo power wo Ghana ni bia hu bi the first time in Ghana history aban bi eye campaign etia na ban aban ne di yi levy aba na aban ne ka kire ne say me ba me yi levy afiri ho aban di mission tax aba na aban candidate yi ka kire me say me ba me mission tax afiri wo ene kire say oye feru a oni message wo hunu dom ne saa na aye ne se popo biribiri min ka bia ngu fina mem min ka bi ngu fina mem minua Ghana for me ka kire mo but we have nothing for Ghanaians enye wo bi a wo ba for accountability in America for to Obama Trump so 4 years but America for necessary say I was say to Obama Trump not Trump about 20 nyuma pa wo ye so ye de ye kom me see NDC for de ye kom ye preach ye kom but omo madwiri mu da ho no omo te kom na se esene de wo kom na the message na se esene de wo preach no Ghana for no madwiri mu da ho na wonim se first na me fira ho dwoha kokro mu a na me tua 2 cities and na me ni 10 cities a me ntimi nkokro mu no wo tena se no wo to aba wo badwene no atwe na bra bam no wato aba na wonim se Akufo Addo ka kire se ye to doko no 1 cedi do mama ye nipa boneni na o pese kom di ye ntini ye to doko no 1 cedi na enne doko no kro na ye to ne 7 cedis no nipa kro be tena se no wato aba no wato nyansaba na cement 7 cedis ahodu ha ye nyame fa abo ne ncho so wo de but say na Akufo Addo ka kire se ye 1 cedi ntini board say wo te de odun akoma lata market ko to doko no 1 cedi e kan say John Mahama chi more di we nipa boneni and na ye to doko no 1 cedi at that time to go na doko no ye turn 50 pesos okoto obi say ye turn 1 cedi and na wo say wo mpo wo turn 3 cedis praise the Lord na say Akufo Addo ye failure na John Mahama tam de abraba ne ye kpoke ye chi wo John Mahama tam na Akufo Addo na akotena me kire say adan wo 2 years picture and wo 6 years picture no e ye pe until ye can kire Ghana for say Akufo Addo pictures na watwa no enye ye finti say de ye John Mahama de no ene be ye say watwa me kire say na say adan no nya ye twa de e wo ye nim say adan no wagye atum say adan no nya ye twa de e wo ye nim nti at that time na mo cassette doko no e be 1 cedi na de na wo si ye nyini bafo munye principle when wonim biase amode amamo mo ye sebe mo fi ana mo dem kache ma fa MPP fo mo fi go from na mo dem kache ma fa cement na cement ni eto cement 27 cedis mo se John Mahama chi mo de ye ntimi nto and cement ye 110 at that time na wo bre mu John Mahama de na wo misa wo se nyina ho a enti na wo se ye to abadi ti MPP adwene wo mu chi na akeke I say ye two aba editio because the omo kan ye no enti ene na ye me de e ma me kai kan de Japan was ndi o kan ye wo say mo se ba mu ya ye de strategies a wono wo ba ye na dollar no e ye 2 cedis ene 4 cedis no wa pagya de akọ 15 cedis no mo so ye strategies ba wu mia de ye lusu lesson no 2020 kan de Japan wo won ne kan ye it is all confess what Baumia offer bia the Bagana for because Baumia first term no it is a Akufo Addo third term and the Akufo Addo senior people for year to say almost first term do omo ya de pa no almost second term once akore bi okosko woni ma de otimi sua de ba wonya kodru school na wo soro na wo nso ya de me say omo comment o MPP comment so omo ya de na second term no na enye and a second term na enye no won si Korea Ukraine Japan war China war na wonim de beba chena sa wo ya ban na problem si na wontimi nya solution to the problem na wo brebu problem na echina yet after to mention na enu echina de beba e bia na echina de ye Ghana Togo na ebeko enti na enyi ko se Ghana ni bia bomusuo ekoto aba edi man people because they have nothing
say no dia na akasima niensa na wora no simple family cause enti no e dia fa preach to Ghana say e dia na mo de ba weni wenti na wo se moto aba man
di enti a
e wo se camera
me see camera na nipa na tie nya nani no de hwe ye de aso na tie asem di enti me no na edi nkomo the entire was a Ghana ni bia eto abadi man this say number 1 NDC ayebida
okay oye the why year no
the why year
why year kwan
dem hweso enfanto Asante region ye Kumasi in particular kra no ya ma umkra Kumasi metro no adata na ye nchiche mu ye ma almost 5 major markets Yema Crofrum, Yama Crofru, Yama Swansea, Yama Tafo, Yama Tonsu Agugu, Yama Kegetia, MPP by just one. I almost know just one Kuramoma. Nadia Yan say MPP catch the gun of one Yunania Santi mine say, Omo my 5 interchanges. What you now want? Ofoli Krum, be quiet, run about. Muhaya Hojo run about. So I'm a runabout. So okay. I know Mukasa Santas run about. Emu one Bakumpo. No be more I shall buy a dear nu. Na Bakumpo when ya. What's I do to me, Sanesa? Your mamma buy a car now of mine will bet 2 years, dear. What did your man 120 billion? As soon as I know you can so in touch you woman. University of Ghana Medical Center, no you womb. Dodo what district hospital, no you womb. Come for another expansion, eye center needs you know. A no size can never move. Asante regional airport to ye who we are, says he can in a new 120 billion. A kufuado buy, you know. What Waboka 772 billion. Me confirm a call. What Muma, one I can't 1 minute. Medasi. A kufuado buy 772 billion. When if we bear the chance anti mine, the one say Ogari William. No, I don't so every year. Say, well, Bruni, no, Okoba. And to Ghana for to Abama, John to many mamma, or be resetting Ghana, or be do money be see a quansu. A situation whereby a president bedroom or Indian, sorry, disrespectful. What they won't find it dear much traditional council. And to ye can't say, one say, brave way your bra and your drama matter. Change is coming. And from my boy in Natchez and December. Now, I mean, Kafaway and Chatua. Abana ye Cotuano. And Yaman am ye Cremoni, and I may Christo new. Sa campaign na po. What Pejana Trinidad and Numa what day, yes, and Cadiamo Benny or car to a month with Minya Canaminia or more. Eh, Sana, Montua Bama Cremoni, and a fan of Cremoni. Limam no ye Cremoni. Hassan Ayalega, where ye Cremoni. This year, 2 Obama Cremoni, dear. And was here to my Hassan Ayalega because on credit of Bejina Chamber. But it's a what you want to be a catcher say to Obama because of your Cremoni. I don't get any pan with him. Message. Said yes, I said you are not a most strong good and to Montuaba. That's why I want to can't you. I won't fair. Obia on the show. We are talking about religion. Yeah, what was be a so higher campaign? Mayor campaign say as my former to my most the enemy into a more you Yamin Mube say woman is in a Ghana, you best save woman. That's a year a Christopher Nick of one at the door. A bring Ben MPP for the pen club of Wasson. Woman tell Papa MPP. Don't go there. Woman pen club of Wasson. Election. I know again. Now, Baumiana doesn't boy. Now, Baumiana doesn't boy. Now, your mamma, I didn't. Baumia Cremoni. Or ye Indian. Or ye Indian. India, do you so you're gonna be so I just say, what do I know? I know we pray for Yashi or you or we pray for the communion. And I said, Ghana for the and yet, and you will soon will buy my young papa. I maybe who soon will buy my young Elipa 1 year no kwafo yamfa wo man te say Ghana to me nsa but wo mianya no kwafo Ghanaians will decide and now ne yiri so say so ye fura ni wo ye no ti krom ye ne jefo abehye Ghana na to na wo twa cake ntidi ne jefo abehye Ghana na ba wo mia ayere twa cake say ne jefo abehye Ghana fo biompa bia mo ka ba wo mia yiri yo Ghana fo ne ja abehye ya maye happy birthday o so ye fura ni ni etu krofo abehye ya wo de na wi aka so be perfect lady di wo Ghana who be perfect lady na the young man na wo Ghana no sabe o ma say wo e ma na say Ghana for bet Mrs. a million point Ghana for bet 12 e ma no o bet 12 bet MPP say ya tinye he ye be ku no mo twiti onko ni je no for first lady happy birthday Nkoma Jacqueline who works at mobile money agent. May the Lord bless you and give you more life. Jacqueline, happy birthday Nkoma Yaminu Fadum Enko Adumu. Tell our father that we no vote for John Mahama
Kelly Nediaba. Or say, we will not vote for Jomama to give our money to slave queens to chop. We will not do that anymore. So if they want to hear, we'll tell them. Bogus man. Oh, come on. Don't do that. Never insult me. And come on. 0202668461. Maybe my line is not to you. Come over and watch our thing. 0202668461. Unfortunately, Yura Mahama. Sorry. You are in ama American, so I can't say that for you.
Oh, ma. See, lonely fair come there, coffee.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Alveda.
Asante Yentio.
What do you want to watch? I'm a bank of body and America. If you never, I need to go now, but woman, you are my bank of work on your campaign, man, BPM. A very campaign, man, I'm on what or why. Rollins, you're Rollins. What's that put down? I said that a woman is going to do what I said that the whole world there. Come on, what we were in a deal. I said that you on the dog, come out. I said, come on, what we were not. I said, I crazy. Promo. The MPP yet. I want my bank for one and another. The money now, don't think what time is the money. Alan, what I know. You didn't put a time on why MPP. So, na gale de mne dia won dia no me pa be ba no no me be kana kana ti bo na
no me kan ka people for that
mpacho mo mi to opata Mike
no me kan ka wo mo da da bi wo ti wo dia wo kan to nya wo ma na ka wi ka je se wo na be ye me be se be ka won na busu e be kan people for e se be no man kan chata me Mills and some Ben yeah, Coco Bahaya because Jimmy 40 say we move to a Cassan some phone. I very proud on your papa quada. Oh, who was it the lad? Yeah, they didn't have a Cassan process and process Cassan with TV. So,
with me to us.
What you mean to us? We Jawa carry out. We are oh. What you could you will read it. Now, what I say, oh, I said, we do have in Casa word. I tell you, hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. Hi, good morning.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning. With the media, I'm a boss. Half a boss. In Jeremy, some of Canada, oh, you tell me to tell you.
Yeah, that's it. 0202668461. Also, beats me at the wide game share and the Abba. I bloody, Ubina Kai. 0202668461.
Good morning.
Good morning, my dear. Ain't you an okay?
If I saw the Kazakh mother region, I had the generation of the member of the and the only job. Me far from the West Namin from another prayer and Saura. The child Elijah Habib is empty enough to Kukune. I don't know what Jamie Papa, Loyan, and all this wine. After all, we have to the and this is I Samira Bovia Vice President, Uncle Burkina Faso. That's the same say. The NPP for the year, you will not be on the who NDC for Munamun Nipa over to Mufu.
because no candidate no kwa ko sada wo kata no sada mo candidate no kata John Dramani na manye e kwa ko ta no kata ate dum tete nye e kwa ko ta no kata enti je oye enye nwa enti mami emfa ha wo because NDC for mo so bai no ọmụ nwaanyị kwuru ọmụ ntị nka NPP jumapa ya ihe ma Ghana for otu ihe nsa nsọ baba John Dramani mama afi kwuru ọkụ otu NDC anyị communicator kwuru ọkụ n'isi ka ọdịbaba musi ọmayị mụ ayọ dịrị ọmayị mụ ayọ dịrị keta amụ yusi eti oge ọmayị mụ enye dịrị because site na amụ yie no ebe so wụ hɔ mu NDC for mu nsisa mu so bai enye nsa afa dị ɛmfa breaking the eight ne ɛbaba it is possible Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia obiara nsira bɛma number one mi da wa so nyɛ ne yɛ
So me that say 0202668461. Obet my friend Ado Ajinchedia, but I have about 7 more minutes to go to be part of the conversation. Florence Chema says that Diane allow Fata to talk. Allow the NDC man to talk. Okay. AJ, hello, good morning. 0202668461. Hello, caller, good morning.
Good morning, my daughter. I'm on for where? Yamiadum. Aquana was on. I have said baseball. Maybe before baseball. Aquana was I said maybe before baseball.
Yes, you.
Maybe before baseball. The one.
Oh, well, I need break you.
Say I was just so. Hello.
Aha, one on call flow, mommy. Cassa, yes, you.
I was saying before somebody that can say, I was just one.
I didn't tell.
And when you one for I almost start baby on the two. And you put food account and for
Pacho. So, immediate. Amanyo sen. Oba, na sebi ubedi atema, in fact, many young. Ibe iwe fiso. Oba chawabi, sebi, so ubi fum, kuma, ubi fumuja. I guess I'm right. Semester, I will tell you. And I will not allow. Why? Sebi, maybe I may say, ya a TV show and a number, yes, I'm making now. More movie it here, more be decided whom to vote for. And ya tell me they do one election. What it? To bet me the atema should make us a minute to my under what they need. And so, hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Mira, and Arrow, my 81 of pay.
I saw where you
Yami and Arrow, my 81 of pay.
born in my powers. Na before na mo kara no mu di aso no mu di man na wo ti wono ndi onyo mo hware no mu di na ono waka ne de won so ba na waka ne de na wa na de so na wu di aso
Medase 0202668461 akasimendum na yes sorry jumedi so obetimi a friend na yenko 0202668461 0202668461. Hello, good morning. Hello,
Bapa Diana, we don't know that Diana Bakujina, Masaba. Diana Menchia, and Menchabu Japo, Diana, Focus in Chirao. Diana, we are a papa to be able to put them and and Tim will be a Diana, and a question where I will see the question. Diana, MPP and issue, Diana, in a for money. Nada and go full minute on the dial. Said so only AG abro or minimum. And to be like a me, musicians and Kadia at the time of whom MPP and you them from a win, you know. Because I, about the chance, your more young, we are dying over the farm, one of the conferences here, dying. MPP, and I have to have a more from the Puntiduma, and I bought the album for. They are okay, a quiet, so they couldn't say the quiet. It's fine, and I'm going. Na say about me about Diane. Them P out so first to go for the round to see with you. There was no care how grant or see a book one year the quite good in two on Diane over the quiet Kuma and put to her. Then MDC and people in an open that done in first and on the ticket group and Jim Pamela near Abamo Pro, independent and with Diane Tomano.
Like I say, young Fakovia, a beauty, a vehicle. I would tell you.
By time my be at TSA and Chukoko will be a new.
Of course, and
and nobody can intimidate anybody in Ashanti, especially Ashanti region. And then come and say, Obie ni wa or yes so owner of Asanteman, apart from 2 4 set to open so Asantemera. Eti Asante no yenton ma MPP for. An MPP for can never have Asante as their property. Omo nchire ade potia omo ba ye, omo ya ma Asanteman ti Asanteman nyina to mfanto abama. Enye me ba meyo. Die wa ya enti yenhwe so ento abama e wa Asanteman mu no. E na ye pe tie. Jomama ko ye wura otumfo ho. Wakache se na me ba ye wadaro ma wonu sa Asante so. Enti dia me ba ye me ye ye nse mama ko mawufu o this hospital. Pressure no so be check from Okonfo anoche. Mama be kwai, mama fomena, mama tepa, mama we, eti mi kan to extend say, ma bie shoe factory.
The shoe factory the egg money.
Who bisa me?
Oh, maybe so.
Who bisa me? Bisa wo party MPP for.
Oh,
Ma bie shoe factory dia ma Asante Mines Asante Mrobunu enye
oh,
aduma. Akufo adu ba ye wo so ye one district one factory. Eti ka wo ahode bia de ye
aduma.
Wo di ahode ni shame. Wo ba ye a wo begu no.
Na shoe factory na ngu ansa na neighbor.
Onse wanim wa fere a wote wa kan mu.
Egu.
Onse wanim wa fere. As a 2017
na aduma.
Na shoe factory me produce mpaboa e de ma police ni soldier. So your service here ye.
Sa na soldier for nya mpaboa.
Enya mpaboa.
O sa.
Na mo ba begu we, wo wi aka che se, wo na wo ye.
Na begu.
Aha ye osoro, akufo do de gu no.
Yeah, sure.
Me nya sure, me ye dodoland. Oh, Dabi eto da mo ma ye bufu. Ba ye ka no credit. Wo se wo tu. Wo ba go mi wo bi. Hwe
Ya point.
Eni pa bie no wa funsuo ni no.
Papa, so wo mi lose. On say na wo mi lose. On say wo mi lose. So produce.
Say ben sana me kire wo so enye nka fa be franka. Ah, Diane, adibo ya na ya. Asa sabe, MPP for fan before they yen minute. Ah, Diane, wo ba ye no, what promise? Hwe one promise interchange asa no wo kwaye family interchange. Interchange ya flying over bia mo ye bia. E ye ndisi for na.
Into mo has no more saba for my end. Say we for e ha na big made in name. See mo fa do mo fa mi.
Me
fabo.
Oh, ba. What they say ma ye ma. Ba ye papa so dia you what say dey wo peli e. Fili dem so fili.
I love you, you know.
And MPP ni na ma na sa hyewa ma.
I don't know.
Ayo ya o.
I am ya. Ya pon o chan me ba.